I'm sure you've heard of Hatha yoga or perhaps Bikram yoga, but have you heard of anti-gravity yoga? Well, that is what I'm going to try today. Now, I must say I'm feeling a little bit out of my comfort zone and a little bit nervous, but apparently if you can do 3 sit-ups, you can do anti-gravity yoga. And I know I can do about 2.5 sit-ups, so I'll give it a go. Evangeline, can you tell me what is anti-gravity yoga?
Well, anti-gravity yoga is a fitness regime that was created by Christopher Harrison about 23 years ago in New York. So it is a combination of yoga, pilates, dance, gymnastics, and calisthenics.
And can anyone do it?
Yes, anyone can do it. So anyone from kids to like grandparents, yeah, all ages.
And what are the health benefits of doing anti-gravity yoga?
Well, there's lots of benefits, but one of the biggest benefits why people come back is because it's very therapeutic for your spine. It's like magic for your spine. So we're going to be realigning your spine, creating lots of space. It's just going to decompress
Magic
your
for our
spine.
spine. I like that.
Yes, yes.
All right, well, let's do it.
Okay. First, you grab the edge of your hammock. Try not to jump. You just press down, slide to the backs of your
Whew.
Okay. Then you slide your hands down the hammock. You slowly come back. Keeping the legs out super wide. Bring your legs towards the back of the room. Relax the backs of your hands on the floor. Now to do the
You
Spider-Man.
really think I can do that?
Oh yeah, we can do this.
Okay.
And then I recommend to do the Spider-Man. So Baddha Konasana, your legs on the same side as your face. Okay, also if you want to monkey wrap your feet, some people feel more secure doing that. You stay here for 2 to 5 minutes and just enjoy this space.
Okay, I'm going to try.
Okay, cool. Slide the hammock to the backs of your knees. Remember, try not to jump. Just press down, slide it to your knees. Good. So slide your toe tips down to the plumb line. Now from here, you slowly bring your legs up parallel to the earth and slide your hands up the hammock for the lever. It's okay. Yeah, good. Okay, keep the legs out really, really wide. That's it. Now you're going to slowly come back. Okay? So legs come towards the back of the room. Relax the backs of your hands on the floor. Yeah, fingernail side. Good.
Oh my God, I'm doing it.
You're doing it. You're so doing it. So just breathing here. Calmly through the nose.
Oh, it's nice when you just...
So you can bring the soles of your feet together on the same side as your face. Yeah. So Baddha Konasana. Yeah. Or you can monkey wrap your feet where you'd hook the feet in if you feel more secure that way.
I can certainly feel the blood
The more
rushing
you
to
do
my head,
it,
but you know what?
these feelings will subside. But
I really feel like it is a really relaxing feeling for the spine. Like it's quite soothing.
both hands.
So here's the anti-gravity yoga rundown. It's suitable for all ages, shapes and sizes, but not if you're pregnant or if you have some specific health conditions. So make sure you check with your GP before you start acting like a bat and hanging upside down. I kind of like it. If you do 3 classes a week, you'll certainly get fit, but if you're super keen, you can do it every day. It's actually quite a workout too. Feeling warm. You need clothes that are comfortable but also fitted because you don't want anything falling down while you're up in the air. No flashing. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh my goodness. Casual classes start at around $25, but that varies depending on what sort of membership you take out. So if you're after something totally different, a bit challenging, oh my God, and a whole lot of fun, then definitely give anti-gravity yoga a go. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing anti-gravity yoga and there's literally nothing between me and the floor. Yikes! Well, I cannot get the smile off my dial. That was so much fun, but I have to admit it was terrifying. It's kind of like those trust exercises where you just have to sort of make the leap and trust that this will actually catch you. But it does. And I didn't think I actually had stomach muscles, but I seem to have found them and they all hurt. But the best thing about it is after a class, you get to relax. It's kind of like a cocoon, a bit like this.